Hello and welcome back to YayCommerce. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple way to make your product page more interesting and more user-friendly, instead of showing too many options at once and making it feel cluttered. For example, when I tick photo printing, an image upload field appears, and when I tick name printing, a text field for entering a name shows up. So, to achieve this setup, let's start from the beginning. First, we need to jump straight into YayExtra. Click on Add New Option Set. For the option set name, I recommend naming it after your product, so it's easier to manage later. Now let's create the option that customers will interact with first. Click Add New Option. For the option name, label, enter. Do you want to print a photo or name? And for the option type, choose checkbox. Scroll down to the option value section. Add the first value as photo printing. Then click Add Option Value and add the second one as name printing. If you want to charge extra for these options, open the Additional section, enable Additional Cost, and set the price using either a fixed amount or percentage. In this example, I'll add an extra $1. At this point, the checkbox is ready. But if we preview it now, nothing special happens yet. So the question is, how do we make new options appear only when a specific choice is selected? To do that, we'll start by creating the first child option. Add a new option and name it photo printing. For the option type, choose File Upload, because we want customers to upload their personal photo. Right now, this option is always visible, and it's not connected to the checkbox yet. And this is where the magic happens. Conditional Logic. I'll go ahead and enable Conditional Logic here. Basically, this section controls when this option should appear and when it should stay hidden. In this case, I select Display, which means this option will be shown when the condition is met. I also choose Any, because I only need one action from the customer for this option to appear. Now let's set the condition. First field. Select the checkbox option. Second field, choose is one of. Third field, select photo printing. This means when the customer selects photo printing, this image upload option will appear. Let's click Preview. As you can see, when I select photo printing, the image upload field appears immediately, and the customer can upload their photo. Now let's do the same thing for name printing. Add another option and name it Name Printing. For the option type, choose Text. Here you can customize the placeholder text format, minimum and maximum characters, depending on your product needs. Enable Conditional Logic again. The setup is exactly the same, except this time in the last field, select Name Printing. And don't forget to enable the option and click Save Changes before moving on. Now let's preview everything one more time. And here's the final result. Select photo printing. Image upload appears. Select name printing. Text input appears. That's it. Everything works exactly as expected. You can use the same logic in many different situations, such as personalizing product options, engraving names, uploading images, or adding extra services to your products. And all of this can be done easily with YayExtra. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Check out YayExtra to unlock more flexible product customization options. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.